Amazon was having a few sales, and I'm gradually upgrading my live stream for 2024. And I seen this camera on sale. I think it's $100 right now. It claims it's a 2017 model. Now there's like a 2021 model. I really didn't see the difference in the specs to where it bugged me much, but the link will be in the description below. This is how it came. And we're gonna test it out versus my original $17 webcam, which has no problems, but it's getting to where it doesn't see stuff in the back as much as I wish it did. Again, this is how it came, and then the link will be in the description below. I did buy it second hand, I think. I don't know. When it's back boxed up like this, normally it's second hand. I never have problems with second hand stuff from Amazon. First time not using my normal knife. Of course, I probably can't get it open. Hopefully quality justifies the price I'm paying, because my $17 mic does alright. It's just not focusing on the stuff I need it to in the shot. It says it's got a little shutter, which I do use that. What is that? That huge claw travel bag. Comes with a travel bag. Huge travel bag. It says Logitech on it. The inside's nice, so it shouldn't scratch it up at all. USB-C to USB 3.0A. Some good length. That's about 6 to 10 feet. There is the cover. Quick start guide. I was told the software on this is a little bit different. I don't know why they can't put all their software into a single app, but yet again, you gotta download some different software from Logitech. So now I have like 15 different softwares from them. I can't even tell this is used. It's so weird. Got some funky stuff going on there, so I'm probably going to use it just like that. Guess that's to be nice against the back of your monitor. It does have a tear off on it. I'm not going to tear that off yet. Looks like it's got two microphones, the lens, focus, night vision maybe. That's where the USB-C goes into. That pulls out straight. That you don't even have to use. Or you can pull it clear down, and I think, I may be wrong, looks like I'm wrong, or I don't know how to take it off. I was thinking it had the screw there. This then clips onto there. Well, I like that a lot better than my other. So if it's like that, doesn't look the best, but in a quick action I need to shut it down, or if I'm getting up. Sometimes I'm not wearing enough clothes for my live stream. Okay, let's go test it out. Okay, so got it plugged into the computer right now. I'm going to show you guys the difference. Here is my original camera. My face kind of looks fuzzy. I'm recording in 1080p. Right here, I've noted this is my old camera. It's only 720p, I think. My room's a mess right now, but there's a line between 9 3/4. But I can read this really well. And then down there it says Crash Bandicoot. That's a bit fuzzier to read, but this line right here is something I noticed. Right here is like a neon sign, a modern neon, which isn't even neon. I'm trying to get that to show up along with this in my face all at the same time. Three different. This is like halfway in between. You can see the Adidas right there, the logo. Now if I switch it over to the Logitech, takes a little bit. They're sitting in the same place. It auto-focused. Did you like that part? Now autofocus back on me. Now see, you can see the line just a little bit more, but you can still read this. The color's a little bit better. Actually, it was working better earlier. Let me rip off that plastic. Did it make a difference? No, it didn't make a difference. Actually, there's a hole in it. So it wasn't even covering up the lens. So, I got natural light in here. I think that's natural. I don't have like that soft whatever color. I thought earlier I could read this. Maybe my glasses aren't focusing right. But that still doesn't come in. So then I went into, let's see if that FUD puckers. How that looked on my old camera. Now this is a $17 camera right here. Oh, you can't even see it. This is a $17 camera. And this thing works really good at night. So I've messed around with this a little bit. So I guess this has you can use Logitech G Hub. It comes up just like this. Mouse is low. So it comes up just like this. You can click device settings, disable it if you want to use something else. It is up to date as of the date today. Got it plugged in. Which camera am I using? So here's the camera. There's my little $17 one. Working great. For this being over $100, I thought I'd actually tell the difference. But here we go. We'll go under the settings. I was messing around with them a little bit. You got video and then you got camera. Over here, it'll change a little bit. It won't let me view it because the camera is being used in Discord, which most people have Discord and using it. Streaming kind of zooms up on you. I don't think it follows you or anything. Video call comes out a little bit. New camera mode is where you can adjust it a little bit. You can zoom clear up. What was that? 500%? 500%? 100%. I like it zoomed out all the way. I'm missing a little bit right there. Okay, there we go. It's all there. Focus. You gotta shut that off. Then you can adjust it to where you think is better. Let's see if we can get that Adidas. Can we zoom up and then move it? Nope. So it's gonna zoom up right in the middle. Make it full screen. I'm gonna put this on a different screen. Let's see if we can get that Adidas logo to come in perfect. Going the wrong way with the focus there. Just massively clicking on it. So I cannot get it to focus. Let's see if I can get that Crash Bandicoot in the back to focus in any better. Nope. Okay. So move this over here. So let's put it back on auto. Guess it's okay. So here I actually got this. Look, I can get the game. It gets rid of the A. um, I got it to show up, but if you slowly turn it on to where you can see yourself, see how it's getting too bright to be used. So I put on auto and it just focuses on me. Your field of view, you can make it so it doesn't see as wide, which is pretty nice. Exposure or your frame rate. There, my hands are a bit fuzzy. Let's see if it changes any. My hands are a little bit better. HDR, I really didn't notice a difference on that, if I shut it off or not. Okay, let's go under video. Brightness. Contrast. Sharpness. I did notice a difference in the sharpness. I think that's where I could read the Adidas better. Let's make this full. I'm going to reset the default on that. That's 100% sharpness. None of it really gets better or worse. Okay. Set in the default. White balance. Saturation. You have to let off the button for it to take effect, so I'm kind of just Anti-flicker, whatever that does. Okay. And then you got black and white mode, cartoon, none. I had it on none. Sickness, zombie. Did adjust a lot on that one. I'm going to leave it on none. Okay, so now let's shut out the lights. I'm going to show that that doesn't work at all up there, even at nighttime. And then we'll make it dark and see how well it picks me up. Okay, the room's totally dark right now. I'm actually going to put the flap down while I... Did I not put the flap on? Oh well. I got bottoms on. Okay, so this is with only the lights from my monitors. So let's start out with this. This is my cheap webcam. I actually like how it picks me up. There, it's picking me up right there. It's a bit fuzzy, isn't it? I don't ever notice that. I guess I do come in pretty well with the new one. Okay, let's see if we can make that 9 3/4 sign come in any better. Hey Google, turn on my USB. Okay, default. Didn't change anything. Streaming definitely bad. Video call bad. New camera mode. Obviously we can still zoom. You can move the focus. Actually the focus does really well at night. Does the focus on auto do that well? Guess it does. Exposure. Exposure's all the way up. It's weird because when you turn it on auto, it goes higher than what this can go. So that's pretty nice. I'd say it's doing pretty good at nighttime. Exposure. Let's see if frame rate changes at all. No, I don't really see it. Does HDR change anything? No. Let's go ahead and reset that to... None of this is really going to make it... Let's see if we can brighten it. So that doesn't really help much. Sharpness, I guess we could... See how the 9 3/4 sign gets... I'm just trying to get that sign to show up better. I got different... Look, I got different colors for it. Obviously I want it to be white. Ooh, that was bad. Okay. Now let's see what my other camera looked like. I don't know. Let's try this. I know it does look better at night, but like, I'm like a money person, and to me, my $17 one does pretty good. I'm gonna plug in this light. I think I'm gonna plug in this light. If you guys watch my new streams, yeah, let's see what that does. Actually, let's put this on there too. 3 different light sources. We got the 9 3/4. We got a light over there. And I got a torch over there from Minecraft. See what looks best. Because last night, that looks crazy right there. That's kind of cool. And then you get here. The colors kind of like don't look as party-ish. Like, look at this. Like, that's crazy. Like, colors are everywhere. There's even colors like fading, like the red is fading into another one. This is just so clear that it kind of looks boring. Boring to me, at least. The torch comes in pretty well. Not really going to mess with any of these settings. I'm just going to leave them factory. Let's see if it has focusing issues. If I put my hand up to the right device. I think I like the color in this one better. I'll have to see what my friends say tonight. The torch comes in just fine. I think my off-brand, it doesn't even have a name. Well, hopefully this helps somebody out. Did a nighttime video. There's no light in this room other than my monitors. I don't use one of them ring lights or nothing. This one zooms up further. Oh, now I'm gonna have to, that's weird. Let's see what it does if I shut that off. Can I get it back in here? Come on, turn on. There we go. Oh my god, it's reversed. There are any settings that are different? New video mode. Oh, Jesus. Let's be able to save them. I don't like it's reversed in this. Can you flip it? What's that do? Loads me into their G-Hub website. So I think that's it. Wait, if I can put these side by side. Okay. They're both on, side by side. Both of them are looking that way. Same lighting and everything. Look how you can see my Donkey Kong thing. That's weird. I'm trying to point at you in one screen, now I was going to use my other finger. This Logitech one is kind of dull. You can't even see what it is. But on my cheapo camera, you can tell what it is. The 9 3/4 sign, it's alright. I don't know. You guys will just have to look at this and see what you like. Also, I did see some people reviewing that the Logitech one's kind of like purple for some reason. And I am seeing a difference in the color. I kind of wanted the quality. I want everybody to read everything here because there's going to be a banner from here down with stuff on it, and then all this is going to be covered with a banner from my buddy. If you guys watch YouTube, it's my YouTube. He's the one that does phone repairs and all that. He's pretty cool at making banners for really cheap too, whatever you want on them. So I was going to cover all this, but if you can't read it, or make a banner. Okay, hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching. Figure out which one you like. I keep going over here to hold up one screen and the other.